So as the market inflection point approaches us with VR coming up, it's going to allow gamers to be immersed in their gaming environment. What's upon us right now is 4K Ultra HD gaming, and this is where all the serious gamers are. Everybody's going to want to play their game in 4K Ultra HD. It looks really super sharp. I think this is where the industry is headed. Everybody is going to want a 4K panel if you don't already have one, and this is the card for you with the 4K panel. And also, when upcoming for VR, this is going to allow you to take full advantage of any VR headsets that come out, which is going to be even the next step past 4K panels. So we're very proud to bring you HBM high bandwidth memory technology. AMD invented this technology and brought it to market with a number of key industry partners. The really cool thing about HBM is we've taken all the memory die that we currently lay out on a PCB and we've stacked them vertically one on top of each other. And the interesting thing about that is that it allows you to significantly reduce the power that is used by your memory interface. On top of that, you significantly reduce the amount of area you need on a design. So whereas on, let's say, a 295X2 where we had to route 1,000 memory traces on the PCB, it's all done now on a silicon interposer. So your previous memory layout that is this size now becomes something the size of an actual ASIC. And it allows you to get superior performance out of something that's smaller, lower power, and more flexible to design with. I like to do a lot of aftermarket modifications myself in my chassis, so I wanted to make sure that this card is something that I would personally use in my system. One of those cool little features is a GPU tachometer on the back of the card. It allows you to actually view the GPU usage in real time, so when you're running an application, you can see how much the engine is loaded at any given time. So we've talked a little bit about the inflection point in the market and about how everybody is moving to 4K Ultra HD gaming. We understand that not everybody is going to have a 4K panel at home. So people that want to get into this 4K gaming segment, we have a feature for you called VSR, Virtual Super Resolutions. And what that basically does is the GPU will render your screen at 4K resolution and then downsample it to whatever resolution your panel is. That allows you to get basically a 4K experience on your lower than 4K resolution panel. And that way you can actually play out some games and see what kind of benefit you get from a 4K experience and before you go out and spend money on an actual panel. For those of you that want to upgrade your graphics experience, we support AMD Eyefinity technology. This allows you to plug multiple monitors into your graphics card and immerse yourself in your game. Coming later this year with Windows 10 is Microsoft DirectX 12 API. This is going to allow you to get even better 4K experience out of your game because now you have even less overhead from the API. I can't tell you how excited we are at AMD for this new card. It's absolutely a marvel of engineering. We've put a lot of time and effort into this. This is the ultimate gaming solution for those gamers out there that want to game in 4K today. It's also the perfect solution for those of you that want to get into VR. With that whole new revolution coming, this is the perfect card for VR and VR immersive gaming technologies. We have a lot of interesting features of this card built in with Liquid VR, and it will allow you to take the step from 4K into the immersive gaming world with VR. Not only we designed the ultimate gaming solution for 4K and VR, but we've done it in a really small form factor. This card and the HBM memory technology allowed us to shrink the footprint so that you can get all that graphics horsepower, but in a really small package. And that allows you to build really cool small form factor chassis, so you can take this with you to a LAN party or a gaming event in a micro chassis. And that is very unique about this product. With this graphics card, you're going to be ready for whatever the gaming industry has to throw at you. People are definitely going to notice you when you walk in a room with this thing.